Go ahead. What are you opening?
A present.
Hazel's first box in the mail. Hold on. What's that say? Okay, don't do that yet. It says, I saw that your arm is getting better and hope that you're staying strong. Looks like fun and that you might like it. Love you and miss you, Uncle Jay. Aww. Okay, go ahead.
Can I open it?
Yeah. Show Uncle Jay your arm. We just got the cast off. Let me see those holes. Dink, dink, dink. Do you need help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here, let's do this. That might be holding the ribbon together. There, so if you do the ribbon, then you can...
The wrapper's even my favorite color.
Oh, he probably knew. Keep going, Hayes.
It's a new color one.
Let me see.
It's a blue one.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, this time you're getting the other color and I get the blue.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Show me what it is. A boogie board? A blue boogie board? You stinker. What do you say?
Thank you, Uncle Jay. I love you.
Blow some kisses his way.
Mm.
That will help you feel better.